Hi, I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online, and in this video today I want to try something a little bit different. So I'm talking to you on the iPhone as opposed to my usual video camera setup, so hopefully the audio and video quality is good. But the reason we're on the iPhone today is to use the slow motion function. I've put a high spot which we're going to set up with the line board, tap down, and I'm hoping that slow-mo function is going to really show you how the panel can move and the kind of a shock effect it has in putting those high spots back into the panel. So stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. So for the purpose of this video, I've borrowed my wife's car yet again, and we're going to put a dent in it and put a high spot in it and have a little play around with the camera settings and see what picks up. It's okay, she doesn't watch the videos, so we should be pretty safe as long as I get that damage back out again. So we'll set up, we'll put a high spot in, a small dent in, and go through the process and have a look, see what it looks like on slow-mo. So just here, I've put in quite a high spot, and you can see where the lines pinch together. So this indicates that the metal's drawn out this way, and that is our high spot right there. So using this tap down, we're going to tap in there on the slow motion function and hopefully be able to see exactly where I move around the tip as I tap, but also the effect it has, and we can watch those lines disperse. Let's give it a go. And now I've repeated the process, and I'm going to do it once again in real time, just so we can see the difference in the speed of removing the high spot. So I think that worked quite well using the slow-mo function. It showed just how much I move around the tap down as I'm working a dent, both in real time and in the slow-mo versions of that little repair. So hopefully that shows also the shock effect it has on the panel, so you can really look at those reflections moving. So each time I'm tapping, you can see the panel, the whole sort of reflection popping each time, which is a similar process to how we can explain blending, or the techniques and methods for blending panels. So stay tuned, hit subscribe to the channel, because we will do a slow-mo video on the blending process as well. But until next time, I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online, and as always, thank you for watching.